And welcome back to Saturday's Sports Special. Now, following last Thursday's wet pitch fiasco at Sabina Park, the Jamaica Cricket Association is now awaiting submission of reports in order to determine who was at fault for the hold-up of the regional four-day match between the Jamaica Scorpions and the Trinidad and Tobago Red Force. Renato Brown now reports.
The January 10 incident is still fresh in the minds of Jamaicans as a four-day match between the Scorpions and the Red Force was held up for over 4 hours because the pitch was deemed too dangerous to play. Now, almost 10 days later, the Jamaica Cricket Association is yet to receive all documentations regarding the issue.
The JCA has received match officials' report and a report from Cricket West Indies. We're awaiting a report from Sabina Park Holdings Limited. Once that report is submitted, then that will be forwarded. All reports will be forwarded to the JCA board. Now, it would normally go to the grounds committee, but that is chaired by the curator, Michael Hilton. Because he's at the center of this particular issue, then he can't oversee a committee meeting where he is at the center of a matter.
Meanwhile, President of the Umpires Association of Jamaica, Norman Malcolm, is adamant that the officials on duty acted within the laws of the game. The umpires on duty were heavily criticized after waiting until the completion of the 5th over to suspend play, with some supporters questioning the decision to start play in the first place. But Malcolm sought to explain the reason.
While it's standard practice for umpires to check the pitch, there are limitations to what they will discover. You know, so one has to be careful how they come down on a particular umpire or in any situation like that.
Malcolm also noted that what took place was nothing new in cricket.
There's precedent for this sort of protocol. It has happened all over the world where games begin and have to be stopped prematurely and then the situation rectified. I think we are making much ado about nothing in this particular instance.
This is not the first time cricket at Sabina Park was affected because of a dangerous pitch. The ground is famous for the 1998 abandoned first test between the West Indies and England. Renato Brown for TVJ Sports.